Hello, welcome to Techno Tutor TV. In this video, I will show you how to recover your Google account easily and effectively. Stay until the end of the video to take full advantage of all the information we've prepared for you. Recovering a Google account can be challenging if you've forgotten your password, lost the associated phone number, or don't have access to the recovery email you set up. That's why we always recommend setting up alternative recovery methods when creating an account. Methods such as a secondary email or an additional phone number can save you a lot of trouble in the future. If you're already in this situation, don't worry. Follow these steps, open your trusted browser and type Support Google in the search bar. Then, go to the option that says Google Help. Once inside the support page, tap the three horizontal bars located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the option Send Feedback. Finally, choose the option that says This Information and Help Content. Perform this procedure from a Wi-Fi network that you have previously used with your Google account. This can help Google verify that you are the legitimate owner of the account, as this type of information is stored as part of their security measures. Additionally, we suggest having on hand any documents or information that can prove the account belongs to you. This could include the associated email, details of your recent activity, or even personal identification, depending on the questions Google asks during the process. That's all. Good luck recovering your account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a like, share it, and subscribe to Techno Tutor TV for more tutorials to make your daily life easier. See you in the next video.